Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to give you the week 2 quiz answers for programming data structures and algorithms using Python course. So let's see the first question. One of the following 10 statements generate an error. Which one? So in the 10 statements, one statement generates an error. We should give the number of that statement as the output. Suppose if 4 is the fourth statement gives the error, then we should type 4 here. So like that, when I did this in my compiler, I got statement 8 as the error one. So the answer is 8. Once again, see this. The answer is 8. And coming to second question, consider the following lines of Python code. So they gave some lines, some statements. So when we print x of 2, y of 0, u of 2 and w of 0, we will get certain values. So what are the values? They are asking what are the probable values for these 4 print statements. So when I executed that, I got x of 2 as 487, y of 0 as 397, u of 2 as 487 again, w of 0 as 357. So the answer is first option. Moving on to the third question, what is the value of second? Here second is a variable. So what is the value of second variable after executing the following lines? So when I did this, I got answer as, I will show you, follow with me. So the answer should be enclosed within a string. I mean it should be in between double quotations or single quotation, because according to uh, uh, their rules, if a string is the answer, then we should enclose it within a single quote or double quote. So I got the answer as A E D S O E. So the answer is A E D S O E. This is the answer. And final question, that is fourth one. What is the value of list1 variable after the following lines are executed? So after executing this and testing the list1 value, we will get a list. So I will show you the rule actually. So if you see this, if the question asks about value of type string, remember to enclose your answer in a singular double quotes. That's what I have shown in question number 3. So in this question 4, if the question asks about value of type list, remember to enclose your answer in square brackets and use commas to separate list items. So on that note, we can write the answer as square bracket 88 comma 53 comma 12 comma again 88 comma 53 comma 97 comma 62 and bracket close. So this is the pattern for fourth question we have to type, and for third question we have to represent like this. This is fourth one. So friends, hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment section. If you feel this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel, like this video and share to your friends. If you have any doubts, ask me, don't hesitate to comment. For further videos, for every week assignments and other video courses, please keep supporting us. Until then, it's goodbye. Thank you.